Hello guys. Today, we are going to learn how to use DOTween to display animation in Unity. So let's get into it. I have this simple URP scene from the previous video. I have already installed DOTween. Let's create a cube to show the animation. Right-click in the hierarchy, 3D object, cube. Reset the position. Let me put the game view here, so we can see it. Let's create a controller for the animation. Create an empty game object, and call it animation controller. Create a new script also called animation controller. Select the object, reset its position, and attach the script to it. Let's go to the code. To use DOTween, we need to use the DOTweening namespace. Let me remove the comments and create a serialized field for the cube. Private transform cube, since we are going to move its position. And in the start function, we can say cube.do. Do is the prefix for DOTween's functions. We can see there are a lot of functions we can call, like jump, move, scale, etc. We will be using moveX. It takes two parameters: the target value and duration. We want to move our cube's X to 10, and the duration is 3 seconds. That's it. Let's go back to Unity. Select the animation controller object. And drag the cube to the field we just created. Enter play mode. And you will see the cube move smoothly to 10 in X direction. Let's go back to the code. Let's scale the cube as well. Cube.do scale. Let's scale to 10 in 3 seconds. 10 gonna be too big, let's do 2. Go back to Unity. Enter play mode. You will see the cube move and scale. Again back to code. We can set loops for the animation too, .set loops. Let's repeat for 3 times. We can set the loop type as well. Let's make it yo-yo, so it will have a smooth animation. Go back to Unity. Enter play mode. You will see the cube move 3 times. And if we want an infinity loop, we can set the number to -1. Enter play mode, you will see it keeps repeating. Exit play mode. DOTween supports a lot of things. They support camera, light, material, rigid body, transform, etc. Go through their document for more details. Links in the description. Let's create animation for UI as well. Create a panel. Let me adjust the view. Remove the image for the panel. And set the color. Increase the alpha value. Let me set it to a nice dark gray color. Create an image in the panel. And move it a bit up. Go back to the code. Create a serialized field, rect transform. And an image. Let's scale the image too. And set loops with a yo-yo type. What's wrong? Oh, missing the duration. Let's make it 3 seconds as well. Comment out the cube's animation. And for the image, let's change the image's color. Image.do. Why there's no do options? Oh, I am using the image from Visual Studio.editor. It should be Unity Engine.ui. Now we have do options for the image. Do color. Let's create a color property. Make it serialized too. And pass the color to the do color. Again 3 seconds. Set loops. We can set a delay for the animation as well. Set delay. Let's play this after 3 seconds. Go back to Unity. Select the animation controller. Drag the image object to the fields we just created. And set the color to our favorite color, red. Increase the alpha to. Enter play mode. It's scaling. After 3 seconds, the color is changing too. Exit play mode. Back to code. 2 is too big, let's do 1.3. We can set ease for the animation by using .set ease at the end. Ease dot. Let's use inbounce. Same for the image. You can check out the ease from this website. Links in the description. Hover over the ease to see how it looks. This is how inbounce looks. Outbounce looks better, isn't it? Let's use outbounce. Back to Unity. Enter play mode. You will see the animation is bouncing at the end. This video is just for overall idea. We will get into the details later on. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.